Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy a TikTok account safely on Fameswap. So let's get started. So here we are in Fameswap.com, and from here you would need to log in first in order for you to buy a TikTok account. So once you're here, you would be able to see the featured accounts right here that is for sale here in Fameswap. So if you'd like to bid on any of this account, so let's say this account right here, which is a TikTok account. And from here, you can see the offers right here. So these are the bids that people are offering for this account. And you can click on send offer if you'd want to bid on this account, if you would like to purchase this. And then you can also contact the seller here if you have some specific questions about the account, or maybe you would want some other negotiation terms other than money, then you can definitely send it here in the chat. And then, so basically when you want to buy it, just send an offer or contact the seller. And now you can also click here on browse all listings, and from here you can see all of the accounts that is for sale here in Fameswap. So you can definitely see it right here. So you can see the account type, if it's TikTok or a YouTube account, the audience, the price, and the listed when it was listed, like 4 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 6 hours ago, and so on. And you can also use the filter here, so you can also do this right here. And you have the YouTube, the TikTok, Twitter, and theme pages right here, so you can go for all of these accounts right here that you'd like to buy here in Fameswap. But now, if you're concerned on the safety of your transaction, you can click here on escrow. And from here, this is where you can see all of the transactions that you have made here on Fameswap. And you would need to understand this warning. This is very important. So Fameswap agents will never contact you by email or from any other social media channel. All communication is done on this website alone regarding all escrow transactions. So if in any case, if there is a person trying to contact you about the transaction here in Fameswap in external platforms, like maybe in a Gmail, someone is emailing you or someone is sending you a message in other platforms, then that is a scam, because Fameswap would never encourage you to do that. Fameswap would require you to have all of the messages here in Fameswap so that they would be able to take action on it if anything goes wrong. And as you can see right here, never send login or password by email to anyone. In a rare case, if you do get contacted, you can report it to Fameswap, and no other domain or website that you should use. If you have any suspicion about someone, then you can just contact the Fameswap right here on the contact us page, which is right here. And remember, it's okay to wait and verify everything. If your buyer is legitimate, they will wait right here. So there it is. And from here, you can see on how it works. So from here, this is the process on the transaction. So first is a buyer and seller would agree to the terms, the negotiation terms here in escrow. And then the buyer the buyer will send the funds to the Fameswap escrow account with wire transfer payment. And that way, the escrow would be able to hold the payment until the seller would be able to give the buyer the account, and the buyer will verify everything if everything is correct as advertised. So as you can see here in the step 2, once buyer payment in escrow, seller delivers listing information to Fameswap. Fameswap verifies information is correct and passes it to the buyer. So the Fameswap escrow, as a middleman in this transaction, would also verify the information if it is correct and so on regarding the account. So you would have help from their service or from escrow. And then after that, you will be reviewing the account if everything is good, if there are no complications or some other things that are wrong with that account that you didn't know, then this is the time to check on it. So buyer inspects deliverable and releases payment from escrow right here. And then once you have confirmed everything is correct, then the seller will now pay out and will receive the payment that you have sent from escrow. So that is how it works, and that is a very safe procedure on how the transaction will go through here in escrow. So if you are wondering if it is safe here in escrow, then the answer is yes, it is very safe here, because you have the escrow or the Fameswap escrow as your middleman right here in your transactions. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.